everyone. I wanted to share with you a little bit of a fun idea when you are inviting your little INKY friends over. So I often have some friends come over and we all stamp together, and I thought this was a really great idea. So I know when we're all get together and we're all having lots of fun, and we always end up with, I'm just trying to see if I've got any on my hands, but probably not, but you end up with inky hands everywhere, and then it all gets onto bits and pieces. All your white cardstock and things get marked. So what we all do tend to do is we have some baby wipes nearby. Now, there are lots of different types of baby wipes, and I know in Australia there's a lot now on the market that are 100% or 99% water-based, which means they're not going to actually hurt any of our photopolymer stamps. So when I was in Coles today, this is what I found. So it doesn't actually say it on here because this is the miniature pack, but it on the bigger pack says 99% water. So perfect for our stamps, particularly if we're touching our stamps or just giving a quick wipe over. I tend to use the scrubber for this, but I mean, we all do it anyway. But particularly for our hands, to keep them clean, we have these baby wipes ready to go. They are fragrance free, they are paraben free, and they are pH balance. Great for your hands, great for your stamps as well. So this is a little gift for those new ones coming to my little friendly INKY group. It's not INKY, but we get INKY. And so I thought is I would buy a little packet of these and wrap them up as a little gift to say thanks for coming. And it's because people are new to me, I like to give lots of gifts. So this one was a really good one to start. Now, things that I used. Fabulous sayings. Now, this is a product of the month. Fabulous sort of set of both typed and script kind of text. So that's great. And I'm going to use that one on here. And then I'm using Strawberry Slush as the colour because I am using these gorgeous little, now I have forgotten what they're called. Let me grab the paper. The paper is called Homemade Sweetness. So there's a sheet of paper that has lots of these gorgeous little jars, honey and all sorts of things. So I have cut those out by hand, and they're going to add the inside and the front of the label, of the tag that's going to go with it. And this is the same set of DSP. This side is that really pretty floral, and then there is a check as well. So pretty straightforward. I think I did about 10.5 centimeters width, and then the whole length of one sheet of our DSP. And I'm just going to use a piece of tear and tape, and I'm going to add that one. So we're going to bring this across, and I'm going to add that one here. So I'm just going to add a bit of tear and tape here. It's just basically to wrap around, but to make it pretty. These are very inexpensive, but lots of fun when we give gifts like this. So yeah, I just wanted to welcome the people that are joining us for our next workshop. That I thought this would be a really fun one because it's a handy little handy little thing to have in your crafting stash. All right, so a piece of cardstock in Granny Apple Green. So the Granny Apple Green is the color that is on this DSP. Now I have to measure it because I do it earlier and now I've forgotten. So it's 7 centimeters by, we've done 14. So we're going to do a square little 7 by 7 tag. And I'm just going to score that so it will so it will fold, sorry. There we go. Now to get our background, I'm going to use that word thank you. Now, if those who know me know that this is a bit of a trademark of mine these days. Add some Versamark, and we pop it over and over and over here in our background. So I'm just going to add lots and lots of this. Doesn't have to be perfect, just so it's sort of here. Then I go back to the sides and add a little bit extra where I think it could have been in here. There, that'll do. So it's sort of in the background. You're not going to see all of it anyway. And have another look here. That's what it's going to look like there. Okay, so pop that one to one side. I'm actually going to use my punch, if I can find it, my good old crocodile. And this one is going to, any punch will do. And I'm just going to do, whoops, in one corner here. Now I have already pre-cut two of these. One is for inside and one is for on the front. So that is where my strawberry little jar of jam is going to be there. I'm just going to glue that on the front. So, I mean, I hope everybody, when they see other people crafty, they have sort of all these sorts of ideas. And this was one that, I mean, I always love host gifts and things like that. So I'm a giver. Like, I like to give things. So that's the way that you went. If you come to my house, you get lots of stuff. You get treats, you get little gifts all the time. So using strawberry slush now, I am going to put my sentiment. Not essential, however, I am going to cut this with my scissors. Doesn't have to be perfect. No one's looking. Doesn't matter. They won't know if you make any mistakes. Big trick here is to hold this hand still and move the paper around. And there went my alarm. Should know by now to turn it on to aeroplane, and that way I won't get interrupted in my videos. So if you live me locally, you can of course join us for all of our workshops. We love having extra people come and join us. I haven't had one for a little while, since before Christmas, mainly because we've all been so busy, including me, and I did have a bit of a break over Christmas as well. And look, things just got busy all of a sudden and I lost it all, lost all my time. So I actually did go away in the caravan and had a lovely time away. Now I'm back. I know it's time to probably restock up all of my cards. So we like to have a little stash of cards in the background ready to go, and I had run low. There we go. There's the word thank you. I'm going to just add a couple of little mini dimensionals to this. Just makes it sort of stand out a little bit more. It's kind of cute. There we go here. Now, strawberry slush is not a colour we have with twine. In saying that, I'm going to copy this so it's on the same angle as those others. I know that this, like I said, we don't have strawberry slush as a twine, but you can colour other twine or just find something that's similar. Let me see, today I'm going to go 6.5 white, and I might just even go 6 by 6 for the inside. And I'm going to, this one here was on the edge of my DSP, so I am going to use this edge on here, which is where my little message is going to go, and it's going to go in here. Now I might have to, I'm going to have to go in and actually no I won't, I might just, yeah I will. Talking to myself here, but I am going to go back through with my crocodile because I was too early this time and put that one in. That's okay though. There we go. All right, and then, like I said, this is pretty much it. I'm going to add a little bit of twine. So like I said, I use just whatever twine I have. There is a couple of different colors we could use here. I don't have any that is, that will match. So I think today, I might do yellow. Let's do a Stampin' Blend in, oh, Darling Duckling. No, I think I might use something a bit brighter. Here we go. Dark Daffodil Delight. and I'm going to use not that end, the brush end. Just going to hold this against my thumb, and slowly it will actually soak that up. Move it back down here. Oop. Hopefully you can see that in the camera. Just going gently, and it will absorb. You can do this with just our ink. I don't tend to use the ink. It does, if it gets wet, or yeah, I don't know. It does work, but I like to have the Stampin' Blend. This one I'm getting, my hands aren't cooperating. Here we go. Just go slowly. It will soak in. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's my motto these days. It does not have to be perfect. But this is using a pack of Baker's Twine, and this one here had like a creamy colour. I think it's probably very vanilla. So I'm just going to snip that bit off, and I'm going to add it on here, and this just holds it all together. And that is pretty much all that this did to make this gorgeous little, just nice little idea, a little gift. And it's handy, very, very handy for us who like to get inky hands. All right, and twine, a little ribbon, a little, not ribbon, a little bow, and that's it. There's 2 of them there. 1, 2, there we go. I hope you like that idea. That was super fast, I know. This is probably just going to be a bonus video that I'm going to upload. I hope you like this idea. There's lots of other things that you could probably get exactly the same. There's those wipes for your faces, and masks, and all sorts of things very similar, that sort of packaging, and it's so easy to do. And you know what? If you get this, just take that off, and then you can use that paper yourself as well on a card. So it's a great idea too. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye.